Good afternoon, brothers and sisters, and here we are doing another slideshow presentation for you. Please make sure that you hit like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for critical future updates. Please share this with other platforms so that people are aware, people are starting to awaken. You can be a great part in the great awakening of the world, that we are not alone. I just ask that you would please do your part, as we can clearly see that there are lots of crafts that go by the sun and in our very own atmosphere. I've seen these multiples of these. Oh, and this here is where they're actually shooting the sun. Right here, you can see it shooting and actually causing a flare. Just like that. Shooting a beam of energy at the sun. There's a triangle-shaped object right there. You can see his little trail behind him. That's him. And here is where the sun actually stops moving and they all come out of the sun. Look at this. Here's our little bird-like creature here. This on Lasco C2. He's a little bit closer. And this is what the birds look like when they are in our atmosphere. The head, tail, or wings, and the tail. You can see the propulsion coming over here off to the side right here. Wait till he rotates. He's rotating a little bit. There's his tail, his wings, his head, and look at that. Propulsion. Propulsion on the bottom, propulsion on the wing. Once again, you see the propulsion here. There's the tail, the head, and the wings. These are most of the ones that I see in space all the time. On Lasco C2 and C3. There's again his tail, his wings. Look, there's propulsion here and propulsion here. The head looks a little bit hidden, but it's there. To the head, tail, wings, propulsion. There's a cluster of them right here. This is actually Venus. There's a cluster of them. There he is, head, wings, tail, and his trail of la 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 coming up behind him. Here are the crescent moon shaped ones. Could be the birds. But there's 2, 2, and 2. And here's the space station. I call all of these my little friends. You'll hear me refer to them as friends in some of my videos where I'm doing space weather update, and I'm like, oh look, there's a friend. Friends. Some are friendly, some are not. There's a major war going on over our planet for our consciousness, for our strengths, for our energy, for we are very strong beings who just forgot. This one's a TR3B. There's the bird one, and this right here is a warp signature trail. Boom, boom, boom. It's from a pulse engine. That's actually some form of a small planet. Don't know how it got in this file. Really see him right here. Head, wings, tail, and his little trail of la la behind him. Nice warp signature trails. Traversing the sun. The sun is the strongest magnet in our solar system. So how is it that they can just zoom right on by it? Shouldn't the sun be pulling it towards it, since it's a large magnet? So with the sun being the strongest magnet in our solar system, these shouldn't be allowed to escape the sun being that close to the sun. And they're leaving a trail behind them. Look at this. This guy's right close to the sun. So how does that work? Propulsion. They have their own geomagnetic field. Look at this. There's two of them, side by side, run in tandem. Alright. Back here to two of them. Got one down here. You can clearly see him here, and there's a division between him and his trail. Oh, back up one more. Right here. Look at this right here, right next to the sun. Aside from this one, something hanging out here. Here he is again here. Different angstrom of light. Nice long warp signature trail. Little guy right here, and right here. Coming towards us and down, going up. Coming straight at us. Head, wings, tail. La 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 la. Here they're shooting it from underneath. These little chatter marks are from the flare. That's from the light. So what's this light source? There's another one escaping the sun. According to the laws of physics, nothing should be escaping the sun. There's there. It's not even a curve towards the sun, just straight line. The strength of the magnetism of our sun, it should be pulling it towards it, but it doesn't. It's just straight off to the side. There it is, the sun getting shot again. Getting shot again. It's a nice little bird. Wings, tail is down here. There's one here. One here. This is Saturn, actually. Down here. I believe this is Venus. Look at that trail there. There's a little fla la la la. Buzzing the satellite. So here's Venus. This is not. Look at all these signature trails. Zoom, 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 all over. Just lighten it up. Here's one right here. We've even got them in battle formations. There's a little guy right here. Signature trail, there's one. Sun getting shot again. get to some battle formation, shall we? There we go. Space station, battle formations. This one right here. Traversing the sun, there's a little trail of la 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 coming out behind him. Here's a disc. Like this, nice and flat, but down under here almost looks like a little indentation here, and it comes down. Here's two more. Actually, probably four more. Battle formation. This one right here. There's some more coming out of the sun. There's some more coming out here. And one over here. Right here and here. Looks like he's leaving the sun. There's his trail. Right there. There's Nemesis. Got another battle formation. More battle formations. More battle formations. Look how many there are. There's one right there. Another battle formation. Flying in tandem. Look. Two of them, two of them, two of them. 3 groups of 2. 3 pairs. They're everywhere. Look at all of them coming out here. And here. Down here. This one looks like a satellite. There's some Star Wars for you. What's happening up there? Goodness, looks like you're strapped to the front of Starship Enterprise going warp 9. Star Wars is really happening, folks. There is a battle going on up there. That's so many of us down here have no idea what's happening. Who's winning? Who's the good guys? Who's the bad guys? Why are they fighting over us? Ooh, see right here? Now there's one over here too.
The complex structure of the mind is the subject. The mind is what the brain does. The mind is a system of organs of computation. Its key idea can be captured in a sentence.
Look at this, folks. We're not alone. Remember that. We need to get ourselves right. Start being good people, raise our consciousness.